Some journeys don't need a grand plan, just a road, the sound of water calling, and a few people you love. Today we are heading to Areekkal Waterfalls, lush, calm, and close enough for a quick escape, but far enough to feel like another world.
Oh wow, you can bathe, that's pretty cool. That's what I've been dreaming of for all these years. Finally I've found a waterfall in Kerala. Wow.
Say that again.
Something I've been watching for over 10 years, a waterfall in Kerala. Never found one until now. Well, here it is. Years been trying to find a waterfall in Kerala. They're always dried up or we're too busy, but now we finally found one. Can't wait.
The stones are damp, rails are there, and the air cools instantly. You can feel the temperature dip as the spray drifts along the trail. A quick note before we get closer. Waterfalls change with the season. Rocks get slippery, currents shift. Stick to marked paths, keep an eye on little ones, and only step where it's clearly safe. If entry to water is restricted, respect it. A great day out is one where everyone goes home smiling. And one more thing, this place is beautiful because people care for it. Pack your litter out, keep the noise gentle, and let the forest soundtrack do the heavy lifting. Areekkal tumbles in clean white sheets over dark rock, a veil of spray drifting into the trees. It's not the tallest waterfall you'll ever see, but it's perfectly framed. Close enough to feel the mist on your face, far enough to see the whole cascade in one breath.
Very close, don't do anything stupid. Stay to the side as much as you can.
If the path is open and you're up for it, a short climb gives you new angles, more texture in the rock, more power in the flow. Take it slow, footing matters. Hold the handrails where you have them. Shayana and I chose to stay on the side of the waterfall with our feet in the water but not getting deep inside because Shayana can get a bit itchy when she gets wet and then she doesn't enjoy it at all. But she's smiling here for you.
No, you cannot sit on your own. You need to be taken care of. Father cannot hear you.
Waterfalls are seasonal. After the monsoon and on cooler mornings, Areekkal often looks its best. Full flow, soft light, and cleaner air. Midday is brighter and busier. Mornings and late afternoons feel gentler, with fewer crowds and friendlier highlights on the rock.
There you go. Aru. There you go.
Sean stood there watching the locals climb up the rock and slide down with the waterfall. He wanted to do the same. And he tried several times. But after many failures, they came together and helped him and gave him tips on how to climb up the rock.
You 1 minute left.
Well, looks like he has no plans to give up. He will keep trying until he gets what he wants. And he is. He's almost made it. But it looks like he's got a bit of a concern about his backside getting hurt in the process of sliding down. But he's got help and he's gonna do it.
No, she doesn't. No. She gets itchy. She gets itchy.
Aru.
Let's go.
Hang on. He's gonna do it. He's waiting for the people to move out of his way so he can slide down without falling on them. Yay! That was a success. He got what he wanted. He did it. We came for a few hours and found more than we planned. Not a big adventure, no huge summit, no epic mileage. Just a reminder. Joy doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers through trees and lands as mist on your cheeks.